Hello students, let us see this question here. See, here in this question a solid sphere is given where its radius is small r and it is dipped, and the half of the volume of solid is in the liquid 1 and the other half is in the liquid 2. It is asking how much force this liquid is exerting on this solid. So I will take this liquid, this is the liquid here, and this is the air here, and this is solid. If I take the liquid as system, so taking liquid as system, see, so what are the forces that are acting on the liquid? First is the weight, second is force due to atmospheric pressure, right, and the third, the solid will also exert the force on the liquid, so that will be in upward direction, so that I will call as F solid. And due to all these forces the liquid system is at rest. So I can say from here these forces, upward force must be balanced by the downward force. So I will say here if solid, the force due to solid must be equal to weight plus F ATM. So the weight is nothing but volume into density, that will become mass, into Z, plus F ATM, force due to atmosphere, this area, right. If I take here, so the system, I have taken this part of the liquid in this vertical column just above the solid. So the force due to ATM, so this area will be nothing but pi r square, because the radius of solid is given a small r, so this area will be pi r square here. So this will become pi r square into area into pressure. So pressure due to atmosphere is given P naught, so this will be P naught here. Alright, now I need to find the volume of this liquid. So the entire volume is pi r square h. So the entire volume is pi r square into h, that is the volume of this entire cylinder minus the volume of this half solid. So the volume of full solid is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So the volume of half will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. So that will become 2 by 3 pi r cube. So and this will be rho 1 g plus pi r square P naught. So I can say from here, so what are the things can be taken out from here? That is pi r square I can take out common, so that will become h minus 2 by 3 r rho 1 g plus pi r square P naught. Okay, so let us see which option is coming here. H minus 2 by 3 r pi r square rho 1 g plus P naught pi r square. So you can see option 1 is correct, it is matching, so option 1 is correct. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.